Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. After a very long time I'm back. Sorry for my late video. Today I have a very beautiful video regarding the 3D crochet patterns for you. Hope so you will like my video. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. This is regarding the 3D crocheting pattern. The 3D shell stitch crochet pattern is a great for making beautiful textured crochet pieces. It is one of the easiest textured crochet stitches, and you can use it for anything from your scarves to blankets or anything you want to make. Whether this is very beautiful, you'll need some basic knowledge of how to chain and double crochet. If you're not sure how this works, check out my video and you will see many different ideas, many colorful ideas that you can use for your crocheting. This is one of the 3D crocheting pattern. It is very easy to make as a pattern in 2-row repeats pattern. One row consists of shell stitch while the second row consists of re-stitches. It's a great way to add some texture and dimension to your next project, whether it be for yourself or for as a gift. This video is just for you, my friends. Do you love making things with your hands? Have you ever been bored that you started crocheting a blanket out of yarn just to make time pass more quickly? Maybe it's time to take your crochet skills up to notch. Check out this 3D pattern videos and you will love to do this crocheting. I'm so excited to share this 3D crocheting pattern video to you, as I hope that it inspires you. Here are different beautiful, colorful and attractive patterns that helps you to to do the different type of ideas for your scarves, for your room, for your kitchen, for your decor, or for anything you want to do. It is similar to the block stitch you make in a corner stitch, except you work into the chains of the instead of the spaces. It makes the stitch pattern more solid and with less holes. Sometimes that is exactly what you need to project. Crochet stitch is a beautiful textured crochet stitch, perfect for making blanket, and it's reversible so it looks good on both sides. I am still having fun creating stitch pattern and sharing you my video, so you can also enjoy this and you also love this pattern. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care.